Buyers Club's fleet is made up of Bali 4.6 catamaran called Lux. It offers a different kind of service because a luxury boat. Here's the image. It is a luxury boat. It is not a bareboat boat. It's a crewed, so with mandatory skipper, but also with the hostess or chef and chef upon request of the client. Even in this case, we are talking about a fully equipped boat with air conditioning, water maker, freezer, icebox, and some good items like Wi-Fi, Starlink, that has a full coverage even during the week. But also, it has a Webasto heating system. It makes the perfect boat even during the winter time. As I said before, this is the Wi-Fi is included in the luxury comfort package. So the client will pay it at the check-in, but it can be used limitless. Inside the luxury comfort package, also we offer coffee machine with pods, the final cleaning of the boat for sure, bed sheets and towels for each member of the crew, and also a stand-up paddle together with the outboard engine. Of course, the client can choose to add another stand-up paddle. So the first one is included in the price of the package. The second one is upon request. Even Lux is based in Marina Villa Igiea, together with Alice on board of the previous charter company. So it is perfect for the client if they want to go either to Egadi Islands or Aeolian Islands, because it is in the middle way. Obviously, even if the crew is mandatory, we can suggest to recommend some good routes, but the client is free to create his own routes together with the skipper and the crew on board. And there's always the same assistance. I mean, Buyers Club is working in partnership with Sailing Boat Service that manages even the customer care and the maintenance. As I said before, our technicians are very, very, very experienced people, so we can both manage.